got dreams that flow like water. Oh yeah, I want it all. So will you come along on my adventure? Oh yeah, I want it all.
Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog, I'm going to share my morning quarantine healthy routine with you guys. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Alright, so you guys can see my eyes are puffy because I just woke up and gave kisses to Marvel, and now I'm gonna make tea. So my water is heating up right there, and I'm gonna make my tea. I'm gonna show you how I make my tea, what all I add to my tea, and start my day with.
It's a new day. It's a new day.
Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna add to my tea is this. Immunity essential because it's so important right now to keep your immunity strong. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this.
Little stronger.
And then I'm gonna add probiotic because no matter what virus is going on, I always take probiotic in my diet. And then I'm gonna add my actual tea powder that is a lemon flavor, and this helps you boost your metabolism, gives you amazing energy first thing in the morning, and will definitely make you go and poop. So I'm gonna add this now. The last thing that I add, except for water, is aloe. So we have like a big gallon of aloe, and this is in mandarin flavor right here, and it is super important to have aloe in your diet. It will help you absorb nutrients from the food that you eat, and it'll keep your stomach clean, and it just make you feel good.
It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a new
Alrighty guys, so I'm pretty much done with most of the thing that I do in the morning. Is that having my tea and giving Marvel his food, making my making my bed, opening the curtains, and then I'm gonna make my breakfast right now. I'm gonna show you real quick. So if you guys have been following me for a long time now, you guys know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. This is super easy to make, and this is very quick and tastes delicious and very good for your body. So let's make my breakfast shake, and then I'm gonna show you what I do next.
I got dreams that flow like water. Oh yeah, I want it all. So will you come along on my adventure?
Guys, breakfast is done. This is in strawberry cheesecake flavor. It is so delicious and with vanilla protein. So a very good start for a healthy lifestyle. So good. And once I'm done with my shake, I'm gonna work out, and I'm gonna show you how I do at-home workout. Now I am ready to work out at home, and these workouts are very simple. You're gonna see over here all the workouts that I'm doing today, and I have made these workouts in my phone, like from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Saturday, Sunday are my rest day. So I've already written it down so that I don't have to worry or think or waste any time on that, and I can just get started to my working out.
Oh yeah, I want it all. I It's a new day. Breathing in out a new way. Oh, we are young. Our time has come. We are wide awake. It's a new day. It's a new day. We'll make the nights a little longer. Oh, yeah, we'll have it all. We'll make our love a little stronger. Oh, yeah, I want it all. I want it all. It's a new day.
Alright everybody, so that was my quick 20 minutes full body workout. I feel so good, my heart rate is up and I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating. You guys should definitely try this workout and let me know how you feel. And so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed my quarantine healthy morning routine and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, bye bye.